Hello friends and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I am going to review and unbox Vanity Cask February 2018 box. The theme of this month is Valentine edition. If you are new to my channel, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell button next to it so that you will be notified for every video I upload. So let me just tell you what Vanity Cask is. Vanity Cask is a beauty subscription box which delivers luxurious products at your doorsteps every month. So Feb month is Valentine month, as we all know. So if you're worried about what to gift your girlfriend or wife, then you can definitely go for this box. You can also gift this box to your sister or mother or to yourself even, to show love and pamperness towards yourself. At the end of this video, I have a special surprise for you all. So stay tuned. Now let's just open the box. So this is how I received the box. Vanity Cask is written over there. So if I open this, it looks something like this. It is bubble wrapped so that the box is protected from any damage. So now the box is a sleek black box. The box itself looks luxurious. The products are luxurious too even. So this comes with the magnetic closure, and thing which I got in my box is a card which is from the brand Shea. This is a 20% off coupon code which I got by purchasing on their website. The second is the card from the brand My Glam. This is rupees 150 rupees off on my first purchase from their website or from their app. You can also get the same if you are purchasing for the first time from them. Okay, so let's just move forward. The next thing is this small booklet from Vanity Cask. Vanity Cask is so particular about this. It contains all the products and their descriptions which you got every month. If you look at it, you can see that it looks so pretty and everything is described in a very beautiful manner. So now all the products comes in this pink satin bag, and now let's just review one by one. The first product is from the brand My Glam, two of your kind. These are the nail enamels which I got. I got a pair of nail enamels. The one is red and the other one is lime green. They have the option of 4 pairs of nail enamel. You will get the one randomly. Now let's just move forward. The next is from the brand Mac Caffeine. This is a neem caffeine glow gel with aloe vera. As you can see, it looks something like aloe vera, but it's not aloe vera. It contains caffeine, neem and aloe vera too. I have used this product. I have applied this once in the night, and when I see in the morning, my skin was glowing, actually glowing. So now let's just move further. The next product I got is from the brand The Nature's Co. This is a watermelon body butter. It is rich in vitamin A, C, which will help in reducing the skin aging process, also repairs sun part skin. So if you open this, you can first smell the aroma. It is so good and it's so overwhelming. And the next product I got is from the brand Votre. This is a multivitamin and regenerating day moisturizer which contains SPF 35 PA++. This brand is so good. You can also try it once. And this cream is basically, if you have redness on your face, then it will stop by this. So the next product is from the brand Monster. As you know, Monster masks are so good. So these are the 2 beauty facial masks which I got. The first one is Extreme Firming and Lifting Beauty Facial Skin. It will help in moisturizing and regenerating your skin, and also firms and lifts saggy or aging skin. So the next one is pure regenerating and renewing beauty mask. It is basically an anti-aging facial mask which helps in lifting and nourishing your skin, and it also helps in fighting aging, dry skin, dark skin, plus firming your skin and reducing fine lines. So you can definitely try this one for a beautiful skin. So these are all the products which I got in my February Vanity Cask 2018 Valentine edition. And so, as I have told you in the beginning, that I have a surprise for you. So now it's time to know what it is. So the surprise is you will get a Thalgo Discovery Cracker Pack worth rupees 3910 absolutely free. Yes, Thalgo is a beauty brand from France, and it has been recommended by spas and salons worldwide. And you will get this pack if you apply my coupon code and subscribe for 3 months or 6 months to Vanity Cask. Then you will get this, and you also will get a 10% off by applying my coupon code. The price of 1 month Vanity Cask box is 999. For 3 months it is 239, and for 6 months it is 4199. But you will get a 10% off, plus you are getting 3910 products absolutely free. So you can all try it once. Also, you will get a free gift by applying my coupon code if you subscribe for 6 months. And this free gift is you will get a 7th month box absolutely free. Yes, you will get August month box absolutely free if you subscribe for 6 months and applying my coupon code. So that's all for today's video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video, and share this video with all your family and friends on all your social media. Thank you for watching.